Check out this insane wallet. If you're in the look for stacking serious cash, stick around because I'm breaking down exactly how to make it happen. I spent months glued to my screen trading meme coins non-stop, but I got tired of gambling on sketchy projects like this one. Then I discovered this method. Now I can turn $100 into $500, sometimes even $1,000 in just seconds. The key is that you can repeat this method as much as you want. That's how I've been printing money so fast. Here's the truth no one tells you. The real money isn't in trading meme coins, it's in launching them. The big players figured this out long ago. Now we need to get in. Sure, you could go the Pump.Fun route like everyone else, but scroll through this list. You'll see hundreds of new tokens every hour, way too saturated. Luckily, there's a smarter play. Listen up. Radium is our secret weapon. While everyone's fighting for attention on Pump.Fun, we can launch our coins where the real players operate. The technical barrier keeps the trash out, which means bigger projects and fatter profits. I know what you're thinking. How could I use this without coding? I'll reveal how to bypass that requirement entirely, launch your token like a pro, and attract deep-pocketed investors. I've been crushing it with this method, and today I'll prove it by doing a live launch from scratch with a brand new wallet. I struck gold with Pump.Fun. Finally, a way to launch on Radium without coding headaches. The process, stupid simple. Just answer a few prompts and you're done. After extensive testing, I can vouch for its reliability, but that's enough hype. Time to roll up our sleeves and mint our coin right this minute. Let's start with the face of your coin, the logo. You need something that's trending harder than Bitcoin in 2017. My formula? Memes, celebrity hype, or gaming nostalgia. Whatever's crushing it online. This time, I'm rolling with this Chinese Homer image, my personal lucky charm. Just size it right at 128 pixels square, download, and you're locked in for step 2. First, guys, what you're going to do is connect your wallet to the website. If it's your first time connecting your wallet, a window will show up on the top right. You just click on connect, and your wallet is going to get connected to the website. Then you're going to click on the create button. It's basically going to show you the Mint Rush token creator menu. That's where you're going to be able to upload an image, choose a token name, symbol, the decimals, the total amount you're going to mint. You're also going to be able to write a short description and to revoke mint and freeze authority for free, guys. Now we're filling in the token information. I'm going with Chinese Homer Simpson Chomer for short because it's instantly recognizable. My description will say, the legendary Chinese Homer meme finally gets its own crypto. Don't skip adding our logo. For the number of decimals, what you're going to do is put 9. You can also put 6, but I prefer 9. And for the total amount you're going to mint, technically you can mint 1 token, 10 tokens, 100 tokens. But what I would advise you to do is mint 1 billion tokens. It's the standard number for all meme coins. Then you're going to revoke mint and freeze authority. On Mintrush, it's completely free. And that's why I love using this platform compared to the other ones out there that charge you a 0.1 sol fee every time you want to revoke these authorities. And why are you going to do this, you may ask? Because it's going to make your coin way more trustworthy. You're not going to be able to freeze the wallets of new buyers. You're also not going to be able to mint more tokens out of thin air after minting the 1 billion tokens. Then, when everything is checked and done, you just click on the Create Token button. All right, guys, no worries. This is standard procedure because the website is a bit new. In a couple of days, it's going to get verified. But in the meantime, I'm going to show you the entire process without any cuts, so you know exactly what's going on. I'm also going to show you the transaction details. So you can proceed safely. This is your transaction detail. You're basically creating a new account. That's the mint address your tokens are going to get minted to. You're minting 1 billion tokens. You're revoking mint and freeze authority. You can just confirm. And boom, look, the token has been successfully created. Sometimes, because of network congestion, your token might not get created immediately. You might need to try again. When there's a lot of volume on the Solana blockchain, some transactions fail. It happened to me a couple of times. What you need to do is just come back on the platform, try to create your coin again, and it should work out, guys. Now let's go on SolScan. As you can see on SolScan, your creation is now live on Solana. However, we're not quite ready for launch. One final setup remains before trading can commence and earnings can start accumulating. Now, we need to create the Liquidity Pool. To do so, go on Radium. Then you will click on Liquidity Pool, Create, make sure you select Standard AMM. Start by linking your wallet via the connection button up top. Next up, establishing our meme coin as the base asset. Return to Mintrush, copy your token address, and drop it. Put in this field. I'm inputting Chomir as the symbol and Chinese Homer Simpson as the name. Confirm with add user token to view your 1 billion total supply. Following meme coin standards, we'll allocate 900 million to liquidity. Now we'll add the trading pair token. Pick Solana from the options. Being the first liquidity provider means you can go maximum with complete safety. Just make sure to deduct 0.2 Solana because Radium needs that fee. Choose the 2% fee tier, perfect for volatile meme coins. And now's the moment of truth. Click Initialize Liquidity Pool, approve the transaction, and your creation is officially open for business. And we're live. The coin's already visible on Photon for public trading. Now let's examine the chart and watch those first crucial price fluctuations. Tracking your token is simple. Open Dex Screener and select any coin. After it loads, copy your token ID from Mintrush. Back on Dex Screener, overwrite the current address with yours in the URL and click Enter. There's your real-time chart. Now play the waiting game for organic buyers. Withdraw profits whenever you're ready. Those lightning-fast first trades you see here, that's just bots executing their program strategies. Just hang tight and periodically check your Radium portfolio. Stay on the standard view and you'll spot your position pop up below soon enough. These things take a few minutes to process. All right, guys, we got our first big buy going for $320. That's more than 2 Solana. This single-handedly pushed the growth of our coin so high that the market cap got all the way up to $800. Liquidity also got a huge bump to over $700. There are a few people selling over here, but don't panic. This also adds for the volume of our coin, which makes it look even better for investors. In just 4 minutes, a lot has happened. This launch is insane. After a couple minutes, we got a few buys more, one for $14 and another one for $160. There's also a little one of just $2. All of them together add up quite a lot for our coin. Market cap is almost at $2,000 and liquidity is right at the door of $1,000. Let's keep waiting to get even better profits. The volume of this coin really made me go crazy. This just doesn't stop. There's a ton of people buying and selling and getting the volume of our coin off the charts. We got a big buy for almost $200. There was another one of $80. There's just a lot of volume here, and honestly, it's time to take our profit before it's too late. Head over to Radium's Portfolio tab, making sure your wallet is connected. Select Standard View, and your liquidity position will appear below. Hit the minus icon, max the slider to 100%, and note the Solana return amount. Finalize with Remove Liquidity and Confirm. Remember, this is purely educational material about DeFi mechanics. Success notification received. Now witness the results. Open your wallet and check this out. I just made 4 times what I invested. Guys, remember, this method is repeatable with high consistency, around 90% success probability. Now for full disclosure, this video is for educational purposes only. While this method has profit potential, we don't know for how long it'll keep working. Opportunities like this often have limited windows, so go ahead and use it while you can.